Good morning, everyone. Source Codex, aka Jazz Fusion guy here, and I wanted to give a shout out to quite a good deal for deck joist tape. Those of you building your own deck, those of you who are professional deck guys, if you seek to buy deck joist tape at Lowe's or Home Depot, you can pay up to, well, the lowest price is $17.98, and some of the other brands are like $25 a roll. You know, I almost bought it at Lowe's, but they weren't in stock, so I was heading across the street to Home Depot. And that little birdie, that little still small voice said, pull your car over and get online. So I got on Amazon, America's shopping place, and I found this deck tape with really high reviews by people using it. A box of 6 rolls cost me $36.32. That's, if I had bought it at Home Depot, I'm talking I would have paid $90 for 6 rolls. This is $6.05 a roll compared to $17.98. You do the math. No, I'll do it for you. I saved myself like $54. So, Yi Yang deck joist tape. All right. Happy shopping.